Core system libraries failing because of the Mssrch Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. I've linked the primary utility for Mssrch library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Mssrch library, the Microsoft search engine module. It provides unmanaged routines for indexing and querying local files. It manages the orchestration of the search index data link and facilitates real-time query manifestations. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Since Mssrch Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Mssrch library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Remember that manual replacement of Mssrch Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Mssrch library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Mssrch library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.